Pushing up the Christmas tree.
When we get to have all the food.
Getting the Christmas presents. Getting out my room, picking the corner, and seeing who Santa Claus is.
What's your least favorite part?
Last year, the tree was fake and we could see right through it. He's scared of Santa, but I'm not.
What kinds of things do you like to do in the snow?
Play in the snow. I like to make snowmen. Make snow angels. Slide down hills. Snow fights. And then I like to skate, but really hard. I can't even do it.
Whose birthday is on Christmas?
Jesus. Jesus is. Santa's. Jesus.
And where was Jesus born?
In a tent. In a state. At a hospital. In Oklahoma. Sheep and cow horses, chickens, camels, pigs, elephants, rabbits, zebras, dogs, kitties.
Why do other people get presents on Jesus' birthday?
Because they've been good.
Well, they gave presents to him when he was born, and we give gifts to each other.
Because Jesus was a gift from God.
What do you think is Jesus' favorite part of Christmas?
Just seeing people happy.
See how everyone's being kind to one another.
Probably the missions for all the homeless people.
If you could give Jesus a present, what would you give him?
A puppy dog. A snowball. A little bear, and he loves it. I'll give him my toys. My love. My heart. Everything I had.
Why do you think Jesus came to live with us?
Because he loves everybody the mostest. Because he wanted us to be good and not bad. He's God's son, and that was what God wanted him to do. And that way he could fix out all the problems that we're having. He felt like we were more important than him. I think he loves us very much.
Why is Christmas so special?
Jesus was born on that day. Because you share it with your friends and family. It's a day where we can spend time and we get to give presents to other people. It's about sharing. We get to praise Jesus.